This is a long educational video.
So we show you the tip and trick on how to turn when you reach to a pole or a wall at your workplace. This is one of the driving technique that students usually have a problem, or not only students at workplace. Forklift operators usually have a problem on how to turn when they reach a pole or a wall in their workplace. So right now, I will give you some tips on how to turn when you reach a pole. So follow me, then I'll show you how to do that. When you want to turn, let me show you how I'm doing. I hope you pick up on how I'm doing. Before I explain the technique, observe how I'm doing, how I'm turning. My eyes are going to the wheel when I'm turning. What exactly I'm doing here when I'm turning? If you have spotted, what I'm doing is that each time that I want to turn, I make sure my front wheel on the side that I'm turning is parallel to the pole. So let me stop it. So my front wheel is parallel to the pole. When it's parallel to the pole, I'm a bit closer, I can start turning. That's the whole tip on how to turn. So most of the students or people who are working at the forklift operator, they usually go and turn like a car. No. Forklift can do 360 degrees. You don't need to go too far to turn. So what you simply need to do is make sure whether it's a wall or a cone, come closer, make sure your front wheel is parallel to the side that you are turning, is parallel to the cone, then you start turning. That's the secret. Yes, and then I'm on this one, the left side. I just check, I'm parallel, I turn. So right now I will show you most of the mistakes that operators or students do. What they mostly do is that they forget that the wheel at the back is what is turning. So the front wheel they are not turning when you are using your steering wheel. So that's why driving a forklift is not like a car. So let me show you the mistake that most of the students do. Go forward. When they want to turn, they go in a light curve like a car. No, you don't need to go in a light curve like a car. Come closer to the pole. So let me show you most of the mistakes. Let's say I want to turn at the last pole there. If you want to do like a car, see how far? I want to turn over there. But when you don't know, you start driving like a car. You'll be far from where you want to turn. I can reach here, this pole. Because I'm turning far from wherever I'm going. So look at the cone where I wanted to turn. Look at the cone where I wanted to turn. I'm too far from over there. I'm too far from this. So most of the people, that's why they do. They try to drive like, because when you are driving a car and you want to take a turn, you give yourself a space. Why? Because the car has four-wheel stability. So you can take a light curve before you turn. But with Forklift, you don't need to do it. You just have to come closer to the cone. This is the mistake most of the people do. See how far I am? I'm too far. So when we are doing exam, when we are testing our students, when they get to driving and turning, most of them, the mistake they usually do is that they go to a larger curve before they turn. And most of the time they fail or they hit the cone at the back. Because at the back, that's the wheel at the back is what is turning. So when you take a larger curve, your wheel will be able to hit a cone at the back. So that's why students usually fail. So see how I'll do it now again. So I'm driving already closer to the cone on the straight line. I slow down. As you can see, I'm closer to the cone. Yes. I'll start turning. I don't need to go too fast. And look at the back. That's the way to turn. Let me give another student to try. Let me put the neutral. Brake, parking brake.
Download the free guide in the description below that will help you to master.
Are you ready to try?
Please don't forget to
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, next student.
So please observe him. I'll show the technique. Let's see how we'll be doing. So what he's really doing now is that he's putting the fork in parallel at the lowest possible. He's setting up his fork before starting. He put the speed and then he's moving slowly. Moving slowly. Moving slowly. He's coming closer to the cone. His right wheel. Yes. Go in. Let's go to the other side. Let's see. Let's see if he's following. Exactly. If you can see, if you look. Parallel to the cone, you start turning. When your front wheel parallel to the cone, closer, you start turning. See how you can go in a zigzag easily. It's following. Yes, go. That's good. Perfect. The back wheel is the one that is turning, as you can see. Look how he's doing. It's a bit far, but it's not too far. You can see turn. It's parallel to the cone. His wheel is parallel to the cone. You see? Go ahead. Yes, you can go in easily. So as you can see, whether it's a pole or a wall, make sure your wheel is closer to the cone. Your front wheel is closer when you are turning. This technique will save you a lot. So this is the 8 or zigzag. When you know how to do this, you are pretty much ready to start carrying the load because you are controlling your forklift. You can go in the zigzag or 8 If you can be able to do this, it helps you to control the car, it helps you to turn, it helps you to master and control the forklift. You cannot drive a forklift if you don't know how to go on zigzag. Doing this in between the cones, because this is the fundamental. Okay, next. Good. Just make sure your front wheel is parallel to the cone. If you are turning right, your right front wheel is parallel to the cone. If you are turning left, your left front wheel is parallel to the cone. Yeah, go closer, start turning right away. Start turning, you will be okay. Start turning. Careful there, you hit it. You are not. So you need to come straight and be parallel. If you come like skewed, you'll not be able to do it, because you need to come straight so that you can be able to put it to master the. Yes, start turning right away, because you are coming in a skew line. That's why you see, look at the back, you'll be able to hit there. Yeah, the problem is because of, see, it's closer. Cool. Yes. So drive in a straight line. When you want to first, so as you are going, drive in a straight line closer to the cone. Yeah, move forward, move forward, move forward. Yeah, you start turning right away. Yes. Now the right line, the right width. Yes, go again forward. Yeah. So what forklift operator don't understand is that this is what saves you to avoid hitting the cone. And if you are a beginner, this is what saves you. This tip saves you how to control your speed and to master the volume of your forklift. Because this is what helps you to go around the narrow aisle when you are walking. You need to know how to do zigzag, or what also called 8. This is a major exercise. Going between the cone on zigzag or 8 help you to master it. And those tips I have given you, most of students that I have been helping, their main issue is going through the cone. Some of them, the speed control will be a problem. So when they do it several times, they will start mastering the speed control.
Download the free guide at the description.